Hi everyone! It's been a long time since we have vlogged. So today we will be going to Birmingham. It's still in Alabama, but it's like 1.5 hours drive. And then we'll just be going there to shop and eat. And we'll probably go to Cheesecake Factory. And yeah, so we'll just be vlogging a little bit and we'll show you what we have bought. Bye bye! Okay, so this is pasta da Vinci. It's just mushroom, chicken, and white wine as the sauce. But I think it's very buttery as well. Now we're just going back to our car and then we'll go shopping.
Shopping!
Okay, our first stop is to visit Barnes & Noble because we want to see some books. Next stop is Sephora. Are you ready to spend money?
Yeah.
I'm looking for an AHA serum.
This is the one that you had it before?
No. Yay, I got my AHA. It's meant for the face, but I'm going to use it for the body.
Yeah.
To exfoliate my skin. We are now at Trader Joe's. We brought our own ice box to fit the Trader Joe's stuff.
So what are you getting from Apple Store today?
You will see.
Okay.
We got an iPad. Later I'll go home and do unboxing. So we actually got an iPad because there's a $100 discount if you are like a educator, student or something like that. But we will now be going to get desserts. So we're going back to the anything but bunned cake or something like that. Nothing but bunned cake, and also get a cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory. Do you want this one? The white chocolate raspberry. Okay, we're gonna go back home now. It's just a short trip out to Birmingham because there's nothing to do in Montgomery actually. Going to Jones so we can buy my white yarn. They start selling Halloween stuff. Why is skeleton wearing clothes? So they're very big on like Halloween and Christmas. So they always sell a lot of like decorative items.
Quite good.
A bit too scary, right? And then potions. You can like fill it up with black water or something. Oh, this is cute. This doggy. Or is it a horse? I don't know what is it. And then this is a pig. Is it? Or is it a dog? Okay, I can't tell. Huge ass skulls. This is good if you put in like your front yard.
It's meant for front yard.
So I love like mushroom decoration. Okay, it's cute but not, I don't know, not that cute. Like this is a bit ugly.
I think this is the nicest.
Yeah, 50% off, still quite expensive eh?
$8.
$8 for one mushroom. Okay, so they do have a lot of cheap yarns. Like 2 for $5 and they're all super huge. So I normally buy the white ones. I'm looking for the plain one. Do you see it? The plain, like I don't want bling bling.
I know.
Maybe it's the other side. Okay, so the white one. Is this white or is this cream? No, I think it's cream.
Oh, yours is white.
I think mine is white. Yeah, this is cream. I cannot use the cream one.
More than a pound. Okay, that one.
$7.99. This is damn huge.
Yeah. Lah.
We ordered the tuxedo latte. I think it's just dark chocolate melted with white chocolate. Mocha. Nice?
Okay. At least not too sweet.
Wow, very sweet. You mean not too sweet? Wow, very sweet. Okay, but it's not. It's like coffee. Okay, we have reached back home. So the whole house is in a mess. And this cat has finished her lunch. Right, Bambi? Hmm? And you were so cute. Okay, I want to show you guys the fridge situation. Do you see how small the freezer space is? We don't have much space anymore. And because I cook a lot at home, so I freeze a lot of things like beef, and then minced meat. This from Trader Joe, brown sugar, chili padi. I bought from some Asian market, and then I also freezed it so I can use whenever that I want. Then garlic. So my hack is to mince all the garlic and put them in a Ziploc bag, and then kind of like cut it up into mini squares so I can just pluck and fry it. And then I also have a lot of radish for soup, more chicken meat, and then we recently bought all these macaroons from Trader Joe's, and we have like 3 tubs of ice cream back there. And chicken, more ice cream, and all the random bunch like acai bowl. We have frozen prawns, left one youtiao, and this is actually quite popular on TikTok. It's not that bad actually, kimbap. So we just bought 2, so whenever we want. And Costco also sells this kind of like a croissant ham cheese kind of thing. It tastes very similar to the bakery in Singapore, so yeah, we bought a lot of that. So the fridge is now jam-packed. We don't have any more space left. I'm actually crocheting something right now because most of my items in my study room is white, except my gaming laptop. So I just want to make like a white color cover for the laptop. So that's what I'm doing right now. What are you doing? What are you doing, baby? She just woke up from a nap. She normally wakes up around 4 plus because that's when she knows it's gonna be dinner time. So she wakes up at 4 and then she goes to sleep maybe at 7. Here are some of my crochet projects because I told you I like mushrooms, so I crochet a few mushrooms. And then this one is just like a strawberry snail that I don't know what this. Yeah, I just put the snail together with the mushroom. We're having leftover pasta for dinner. And then this is a brioche bread that we bought from Costco and topped it up with lobster that we had the past few days. We are just done with church and now we are going for lunch at Matabar. Matabar. It's some Indian restaurant because our Singaporean Indian friend misses his Indian food.
I also misses.
You also misses.
I also miss Indian food.
Yeah. But they don't sell prata, right? They sell
naan.
And
like butter chicken, tikka masala.
oh.
Then we get different meat biryani.
So there's like chicken and mutton biryani, right? Yeah.
Hey, where's your cup?
I don't even have this at home.
Oh, you don't have this at home?
No, I don't have this at home.
Cheers.
No, we already go like that.
I didn't know papadam eat.
Oh, there's a brush. You brush off the bread first.
Okay. Some people they do.
There's a gap.
Some people they do. But the jam is nice.
Biryani. Biryani or biryani?
Yeah, it's been biryani. Yeah.
B-I-R or B-R-I?
B-I-R.
So we got Korean rice cakes from Sweet Rice. On TikTok I see this girl always eating Korean rice cakes, so I wanted to try. I already ate one. It's just like show you what's inside. It smells a bit like they coated it with sesame oil. It's a bit like ang ku kueh,
Yeah, it is.
but it's a mung bean inside.
Even the pink one?
Mm.
Okay, so it's common bean.
I think they all taste the same actually. You want to try?
No, later.
Okay, our Amazon stuff is here. I bought a paper feel screen protector for the iPad, and then an iPad cover, my body scrub by Dove Pomegranate. So let's do an iPad unboxing. I got it in the color Starlight. I don't know why they don't do white. What is interesting, it comes with this scraping thing, so you can scrape the bubbles out. And because this pack comes with two, so they give two cleaning kits. So first, I need to flip this. And then there's a camera part here, so the camera is supposed to go there. Apparently I find it harder to use this application thing, so I just took it out and then put it myself. So I got this in Starlight as well, to match the color. Inner, peel off the inner and outer protecting film of the glaze before using. So this is the Apple pencil that I bought for him last time, but now it's mine. Yeah. Co-owned. But now it's mine. End up this pencil cannot support the new generation iPad. So I got a new pencil, I got a new pencil, I have a new pencil. Hey, hi everyone. No, what do I want to say?